Hi all, welcome to the Data Moon, where we bridge the gap between students and their jobs. This video is a part of the long series where we are solving Python questions that are asked in the interview. So for today's question is, write a Python program to swap two elements in a given list. Now this question is, we have given a list, we know the positions of the elements that we have to swap with each other's position, and now let us write the code for this question. So the code can be written in three approaches. The or approach can be variety, but we are going to discuss in three approaches today. The first approach is where we use the simple approach where we are using comma assignments, and after that the second approach would be using the .pop function that is inbuilt in Python, and after that we will be using a tuple variable to do the same thing, that is swap the two elements in a given list. Let's dive into the code then. For that I have opened this Jupyter notebook. Let's write our driver code first, which is, let's initiate our list. One, two, three, four, five. This is our list, and let's print this list. Print its initial value, that is this list as it is, and let's print after it is swapped, after the two elements are swapped. So for that we will have to call the function, which let us name it as swap positions. So I will write swap positions here, swap positions, but we have to pass some parameters to the function. So those parameters are the whole list. So let us write list, then the position 1, the first element that is to be moved, and the pos2, which is position 2, the position of the second element to be moved. Now you all might already know that the function, if we have to call here, then the function should be already written before before the call. Let us define this function, def swap positions, in bracket let us receive those elements that we sent from the call, list position 1 and position 2. Colon and enter. Now inside this program, let us write the main idea which is going to be executed. So in comma assignment, the program is written so that both the variables use the assignment operator and comma operator. So list of pos1 comma list of pos2 is equal to, so see here we have applied comma before the assignment operator, so these both will be applied simultaneously, these both will be executed simultaneously. Now we have to exchange these values, so let us write in the reverse order, list of position 2 comma list of position 1. After this we have to just return the list. Okay, so we have an error, pos1 is not defined. Okay, right, we have not given any values to pos1. We can actually take input from user or define them. So let us give pos1 is equal to 1 and pos2 is equal to 3, which are the positions of the elements to be exchanged. Now let us run this code. See, we have position the initial list, which is 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have 1 4 3 2 5, which is the after being swapped. So if these positions are 1 and 3, the position 1, we know that Python lists are 0 index, so in position 1 we have 2, and in position 3 we have 4. So these are exchanged, as you can observe. Now let us go for a second approach, which will be For that, let's take our driver code into another cell and let's write the second approach, in which we are going to use the .pop function, which is an inbuilt function of Python. So for that, let us define the function first. Def swap positions receive those. And now inside this function, we have to pop the elements one by one and then insert them in each other's place. So let us execute this. Let's write the code. Let's take a variable which will be named first element, first underscore ele. This will be equal to the position one's element. So for getting that, we have to take list dot pop. We have already explained pop function, but let me tell again that pop removes the element from the list and assigns it to the variable whichever has assignment operator. List dot pop of position 1. After that, let's take a second element, second underscore ele is equal to list dot pop in brackets position 2. So we have both the elements in our two variables. Now we have to insert them in each other's place. So we use the list dot insert function, which will go as follows: list dot insert in brackets at position 1 we have to write second element, right? So we will call the second element variable. After this, we have to insert the first element, list dot insert goes to first element. Now after this, just the last part is remaining, where we have to return this function, return the list. So return list. Let's run this function and run this driver code. See, this is the solution we have got. But this solution is wrong because, as we can observe before, we should get 14325, which is the right solution. So where is the mistake? The mistake is here, because the position 2 will now move towards left by one position, because this pop function was already used on position 1. So that element is deleted and everything after that will be going to left. That is why we have to subtract 1 from this pos 2. Now let us run the program again. Running the function. Now let's run the driver code, and now we get the right answer, that is 14325. This is the required list we should get. Now proceeding towards the third approach, which is using a tuple variable. So let's first define the function. Def swap positions receive those elements, list pos1 and position 2 colon enter. Now inside this function, we have to use the get named tuple, and which will be storing the values of our position 1 and position 2. So let's name it get is equal to list of position 1 comma will be outside list of position 2, but list needs to have square brackets. So we have stored in get tuple our values. Now we have to retrieve those values in reverse order, so that the position 2 gets position 1's value and position 1 gets position 2's value. and those values will get exchanged. So let's write list of position 2, comma, comma will be outside, list of position 1 is equal to get. So this will give them each other's value. Now let us return the list. Return list. Let's run this function. Let's run the driver code and we get the output. That is the right output, 14325, which is the correct answer. That's how we solved the question for writing a Python program to swap two elements of a given list at given positions. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe these videos. For more such content, subscribe to the Data Monk. Thank you.